In this tutorial, let us see how Java methods behave. I have a method called m1 that takes a byte and a long. I am passing a byte value b1 and a long value l, which matches with the signature of the method m1. I am creating one more method that takes long and byte, but let us not bother about that now. Now I am executing this program. Now I get the output as byte and long. The second method that has the signature matching with the arguments that I am passing. Now I'll comment this method and let's see what happens. Now when I am calling m1, this gives me an error because the m1 method takes long and byte now that does not match with the signature of the arguments. Here byte can be assigned to a long, but long cannot be assigned to a byte. So because of which this method gives an error while calling the method. Now I am changing the arguments of the first method. Byte here is a wrapper class and long is also a wrapper class. Now let's see what happens. So now once again it prints the first method output because the signature matches. Now I comment it once again. Now the other method m1 that takes a wrapper object of byte and long will get executed. Let me just change the few arguments here. So here what I am doing is the first argument is byte, the second argument is a var args of long type. So now if you see it prints byte and long again because it gets auto boxed to wrapper types. If I comment the second method, then it takes the other method that takes a byte and var args and prints byte and long arguments. I can also call this method by passing a byte and an array of long numbers. Var args is a generic way of accepting values of any length, either a single value or an array. So here what happens, always auto boxing has the precedence over var args, because of which if auto boxing signatures are present, that will be executed first before var args. So if I comment the first method, now it prints long and long because byte can be assigned to long, long is assigned to long. So basically the sequence that is followed here is first the method of the same signature will be executed, then it goes for the type promotion. So type promotion always precedes the auto boxing. So if there is no method that promotes the types, then it goes and executes the method that has wrapper types and auto boxing happens. Now here I am calling m1 again by passing two double values. Now there are no methods matching with the signature. So if I define m1 that takes two double values, then that gets executed. Can I add L to my double value? No, I can't do that. Double value cannot be typecasted to long. So this is not valid. I cannot add a capital L also because double values cannot be promoted to long.